Friends, today we'll see income plan in Kiva. Retail profit, team performance bonus, club income or royalty bonus. So firstly we'll see a retail profit. 100% buy one get one free lifetime. For an example, product if you buy a shampoo, MRP for 120 rupees, profit 120 plus 120 as we get buy one get one free. So profit will be 120 rupees, that is 100% retail profit. Panch Tulsi, rupees 59, 59 plus 59. So again 59 rupees, 100% profit. Cough syrup if we buy 59 rupees. So profit will be buy one get one free. That will be two product 59. Again 100% profit over here. Next we'll see a binary income over here. That is weekly payout. One single ID we get two income. For example, you are here. On her left hand side, if one person comes for 400 BP and on the right hand side, if another person comes for 400 BP, matching both the persons, you get the matching income of 200 rupees. In the same way, 10% coming in on the left hand side and 10% coming in on the right hand side, again 4000 BPs, matching income will be 2000 rupees. This is a weekly payout, friends. Again 20% coming in on the left hand side and 20% coming in on the right hand side, again the matching income will be 4000 rupees. So here unlimited income, no capping. Per day if you join or the per week if you join 20 people, 100 people, you can get the income as per week. So again here it is a teamwork duplication. So how this particular binary income works, we will see in a small easy simple way where we can earn in binary income within 3 months, that is 12 weeks. So you will get a clear picture how we can earn easily. Binary income, weekly income, unlimited. 2:1 or 1:2, 200 rupees. As I told previously, no capping, weekly closing, weekly transfer. So binary income, if we take 12 weeks over here, how can we earn such a good income? That we will see over here. Per week, first week, if we join two people on the left hand side and two people on the right hand side, 400 income we receive. That is weekly. Again in a repurchase, team A 800 BP and team B 800 BP. So the level will be executive level. In the second week, 4 people on left hand side, 4 people on right hand side, income will be 800 rupees. Again team A 1600 on both the sides, team B 1600 executive level. Third week, if 8 people coming in on both the sides, income will be 1600 rupees. Again the BP in both the team, it will be 3200 rupees. Fourth week, 16 people on left hand side and 16 people on right hand side, that week income will be 3200 rupees. Again BP will be calculated 6400, 6400. The level will be senior executive level. Here again a duplication, here again a teamwork. You are not single over here. All the people working together, we can achieve this income. Fifth week, 32 people on the left hand side, 32 people on the right hand side, income will be 6400. That is per week. Guys, just imagine. So again team A 12800 BP and 12800 BP, deputy manager level. Sixth week, left hand side 64 people and on the right hand side 64 people, income will be 12800. That is per week, guys, just imagine. So again the BP will be 25600 on both the sides. Level will be manager level. Seventh week, 120 people coming in on the left hand side and on the right hand side, the income will be 25600. So the BP will be 51200, 51200. So the level will be senior manager level. Again on the 8th week, 128 people will be, again coming in like, 256 people on the left hand side, again 256 people on the right hand side, income will be 51200. That is a weekly income. This particular weekly income will be monthly income of so many people. If we work properly in this Kiva industry, we can earn income however we want. This is a weekly income. Again the BP will be 1,02,400, 1,02,400. The designation will be general manager over here. On 9th week, 500 people coming in on the left hand side and right hand side. The total income that particular week, it is 1,02,400. Guys, 1,02,400. This is survival of 10 people nowadays, very very difficult to find the jobs, but still in Kiva Industries it is possible. Team A 2 lakhs, again 2 lakhs on the right hand side. Level will be deputy director level. On the 10th week, 1000 peoples, both the sides coming in, 2 lakh 4800. This is a weekly income. So again, team A and team B, 4 lakh on both the sides, level will be director level. On 11th week, 2000 on both the sides, income will be 4 lakh 9600. This is per week income. And both the sides, the BV will be 8 lakh and 8 lakh, level will be chairman level. Again on 12th week, that is completion of 3 months, 4,000 people on left hand side, 4,000 people on right hand side, income will be 8 lakh 19,200. Guys, 8 lakh 19,200. This is really a big and huge income. That is a weekly income. Just imagine if we get this income, people are getting this income yearly. Just imagine if you can prove yourself in Kiva Industries. Again, BP will be 16 lakh on both the sides. Again, you will qualify for all the bonuses. Just think 100% if you work. So income will be, 8 lakh 19,200. Just imagine if you work for 50%. In the same way, within 3 months, our income per week it will be 4 lakhs. Okay, if not possible, if you work for 25%, just imagine guys, 2 lakh per week. This is a huge income, right? Friends, just think this is a weekly income. If we get the 2 lakh for month, just imagine how our life and family will be secure. In outside world, to earn this income, very difficult, but it is possible in Kiva Industries. Only in Kiva, we get the opportunity to prove ourselves and to earn and to make our family a secure. Correct? Next, we will pass on to a repurchase or generation plan. This is a monthly. In spite of the previous weekly income, we get a monthly payout. Along with that, actually, again, I was telling something about BP, right? See, one person coming in here, left hand side and right hand side, we get 400 and 400 BPs. Okay. So again, 30 people coming in, 400 into 30, 12,000 BPs on both left and right hand side. Again, 100 people coming in, below you, that is 400 BP into 100, that is 40,000 BP. So this is an accumulation process. This is accumulated. 400 plus 12,000 plus 40,000. 52,400 BP on left hand side, 52,400 BP on the right hand side. Again guys, accumulation process happens. The matching of 50,000 BP left and right hand side. Again, you will be over there. You will get, other than your binary income, 17,000 to 20,000 minimum income monthly. That is for that particular month. Guys, just imagine how the process runs, how you can earn over here. You have got lot of opportunities to earn in Kiva Industries. Only the thing is, you should prove yourself. Very, very simple process, but you can do whatever you want to do, fulfill your dreams, everything. Again, team performance bonus with accumulation. As I told you, BP, right? That is nothing but a business point. So we spoke about retail profit 100%, team bonus, that is 38%, that is accumulation thing. Again, once the accumulation happens, there is a club income, that is a royalty of 62%. Just imagine there is none of the company, in direct selling which gives a payout of 100%, that is 38% plus 62% is equal to 100% distribution to the distributors of Kiva. It's a really, really good opportunity wherein we can earn, we can learn, and our health also will be very, very good, people. Okay, coming back to here, promotions, percentage, A team, B team. Once the person joins to Kiva, he will be a distributor. He will be in 5% level. Once 2,000 BPs on both the sides, he will be an executive, wherein level will be 10%. Again, 10,000 and 10,000 on both the sides, senior executive level 14%. 20,000 BPs on both the sides of the team, deputy manager 18%. 40,000 BPs on both the sides, he is in a manager level, that is 22%. Again, 80,000 BPs on both the sides, that is A team and B team, senior manager level 26%. 1,60,000 BPs on both the sides, general manager level 30%. 3,20,000 deputy director level 34%. Once you complete 6,40,000 on 6,40,000, Just imagine 6 lakh 40 and 6 lakh 40 on both the sides. You will qualify as a director and you will be getting 38%. 38% is a huge amount actually, guys. You will start getting your director bonuses also. So coming back, royalty. Royalty is nothing but, once you get same process, once you get A team, B team, 10,000, you get a royalty income. That is 8% of the company's total turnover for that particular month. Okay. For example, the company has made a turnover of 12 crore or something. Okay. And its actual percentage, that is 8%. That 8% of will go to royalty club. I'll explain in the next video. Okay. Just for an example, I'm just explaining you people. If there are 1,000 people who are achieving this royalty club, who has made a BPs of 10,000 each, will get 8% of that total turnover will be distributed among the royalty club achievers. So I think I made you somewhere understand, but I'll tell you in my next video. I'll surely explain what does within illustration or an example. Okay. Again, 25,000 on both the team sides. Again, loyalty club 5%. 50,000 BPs, you get star club 4%. Again, on the company's total turnover for that particular month. 1 lakh completion of BPs on both the sides. Foreign club. To go for a foreign tour, you get 2%. Again, company's total turnover for that particular month. 1 lakh 5,000, 1 lakh 5,000, 1 lakh 50, you get a car club. That is 2%. You can buy your own dream car with this 2% of amount. Okay. Again, 2 lakh on both the sides. House club 2% on total particular companies per month turnover. So as you qualified as a director here, 38% of director, you get a director club, 10 plus 8%. Actually 18%. That is a director club amount. You get it. Okay. Once you complete 2 lakh on both the sides, you get a president club. That is 8 plus 6. That is 14%. Again, it's an extra income. Chairman club, 5 lakh BPs on both the sides, you get 7% a chairman club income. So guys, what I mean to say is like, it's a really good opportunity wherein by struggling very, very little, moving this business, it's really a worth wherein we can prove ourselves. Okay. So for further information, kindly get in touch with me on this number. Guys, do subscribe this channel. Do like this channel. Do comment on this, whatever is the thing. Thank you, guys.